So guys, this was a beautiful, beautiful and beautiful win, guys. So if you guys can trade like this, guys, you're gonna make money in the forex market. Yeah, how's it going, everyone, guys? It's your boy XO, and in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys an insanely profitable scalping strategy that if you can do this consistently, you can go from being a losing trader into being a profitable trader in less than 10 minutes. So guys, stay tuned to the end of this video to get the full detail and me breaking down and explaining every single step you need to take to make this a success. So guys, before we continue this video, I want to give a quick disclaimer, guys. This is not an investment advice, guys. Do your own research. I'm just sharing my own knowledge on how I trade. I'm just trying to share it to you guys. So before you take any decision, guys, do your own research, do your own due diligence, guys. And if you want a strategy to work for you, I'm going to tell you a secret, really powerful secret that nobody's going to tell you except me, and that is smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm and smashing the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell and clicking on it all. And trust me, guys, you're going to be a profitable trader in less than 2 seconds. So guys, let's dive straight into this video. So guys, the first thing I want you guys to do is place the 200 exponential moving average line on your chart. So let me show you guys how to do that in case you don't know how to do that. So you come to this point, you search for EMA, search for moving average, then you see look at this. You search for moving average, then you see this exponential moving average line. Then you click on this settings and you come here and you put in 200, and yeah, that's it. So one thing I want you guys to look for is a break on the 200 EMA line, which is this candlestick. If I should zoom that in, which is this candlestick right here. So we go to this our tool section and pick up this horizontal ray. It's called horizontal ray, and you click on it and you place it right at that break, which is at that point. Then you come back down to the 5 minutes time frame and look for that area where we placed the look for that point where we placed the horizontal ray, which is right here. So guys, one thing I want you guys to look out for is a break and retest of that horizontal ray. So this is actually where the market broke through on the 200 EMA on the 15 minutes time frame. So I want the market to make a new low, which it did right at this point before it reversed up. So this is where the market actually reversed back up to that same area where it broke the 200 EMA on the 15 minute time frame, which is this horizontal ray line. So what you want to look for is an engulfing candlestick, or you can even use the Fibonacci. Like I made a video showing you guys how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. You can even use it like this if you want to, but I usually like to look for an engulfing candlestick and a break and a retest of that horizontal ray line. So if you see, like, this is a 61.8 level, you could have taken this trade, but I really don't recommend you use the Fibonacci on this strategy. I just recommend you just look for a retest, a retest of that horizontal ray line and an engulfing candlestick, which it actually did at this point. So I'm looking to take a trade for a sell. So you guys probably wondering how I set my stops. I use ATL for my stops, or I use a previous level of structure, which is this highs right here. So I can put my stops just above that level of structure, just there. Or I can use a 1.5 or a 1.7 or a 2x ATL value. So in case, like, for example, if the ATL is 10, I will use like 20 or 15 or 17, which is 1.5 times or 1.7 times or 2 times the ATL value. But for just newbie beginners trader, you can just use the previous market structure highs, like this one, and place your stop just slightly above it. And yeah, that's how I trade this scalping strategy. And guys, because it's called scalping, so taking a 1.5 is gonna be really amazing, like a really great profit target. Or on the maximum, I recommend you take 2. Alright, so you can take 2, which is great. All these big moves you see here, except you want to do trailing, you can actually trail your stops, which means you are banking more profits. So you can imagine we traded to this point and the market fell down to this point again, then we trail it back down to this area, and I think we finally got taken out at this point right here. So basically this is just a 2.9 out if you're trailing your stops. But if you're not trailing your stops, I would recommend, like I would strongly recommend you go for a 1.5 or on a maximum go for a 2 hour profit target. Alright guys, so I want to give you guys a very quick new example so you guys get to understand it a little bit better. So as you can see, the market broke through from this level strong. Like this is a strong break like the previous one. I forgot to mention, guys, you need to look for a strong break like this. So if you see a tiny candlestick like this one that broke through, this is a bad setup. So you need to find a strong break like this, and you put your horizontal ray just at the close of that candlestick right there, and you go down to the 5-minute time frame, which is going to be our entry time frame. So guys, look at this. Let me show you guys something real quick. You can see that the market actually got back to that level, but as you can see, if I had taken it straight like this could have been, I don't know, this probably would have been a loss. Alright, we could have lost this trade, guys. So what I usually like to say is that you guys need to wait for an engulfing candlestick, which is what happened at this point. You can see the market actually engulfed this candlestick right here. You can see that engulfing candlestick right here at this point, but to be realistic, guys, this is where the engulfing candlestick actually took place. Right, if I should zoom that in, you guys get to see this is where the engulfing candlestick took place. And taking our trade for a buy at this point, and like I said, stops just below structure, which is maybe down here. And like I recommended you guys to do is that you guys should take a 1.5, which is a 1.5 or a 2 hour on the maximum. So guys, this was a beautiful and beautiful win, guys. So if you guys can trade like this, guys, you're gonna make money in the forex market. But like they say, nothing is guaranteed in the forex market, so you guys have to trade at your own risk, do your own due diligence, guys. This is just me sharing what I know and how I trade. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. So if you want to be a profitable trader, like I said, you have to smash the like button, you have to subscribe, you have to share this video with your friends, and I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, and peace.